Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tabata improves athletic performance and glucose metabolism and acts as an excellent catalyst for fat burning. The excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, effect for Tabata occurs immediately after the workout, so you keep burning calories.
Take our lead.
The original Tabata protocol was conducted 4 times per week over a 6-week period with high-level athletes, notes King. Which means, yes, you can do Tabata workouts every day. King offers a word of warning to those looking to use Tabata to replace cardio as a whole. 3 May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This time-efficient approach to exercise is all about intensity, so while just 4 minutes of hard work can prove helpful in terms of enhancing health and fitness, the complete 20-minute workout can elicit even better results while still easily fitting into a busy schedule. 18 September 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
Izumi Tabata, who conducted a study to determine the effectiveness of intermittent anaerobic exercise, now known as high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This is the perfect Tabata workout for beginners because it starts off simple, but you can make each one more difficult in order to keep up with all your hash gains. 29 May 2017.
Take our lead.
So let us introduce you to one of the best options for getting a big calorie burn without pounding the pavement, Tabata. Compared to running, that's nearly 30% more calories burned. A 140-pound woman running a 10-minute mile burns slightly more than 10 calories per minute. 24 January 2017.
Take our lead.
Tabata is a clinically proven way to get fit in just 4 minutes, developed by Japanese professor Izumi Tabata. It consists of 20 seconds of intense exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated 8 times, to total 4 minutes. 17 January 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.